Hey, did you know that you're owed money? Or at least if you live in Wales, your country is. Because UK Labour have given England billions of pounds in rail funding and Wales is getting shortchanged again. Did you know that Wales was paying for rail projects that are literally nowhere near Wales? Like genuinely ask me, Cerys, how much of this track is in Wales? None of it! So to start with, Welsh Rail has been underfunded for decades. In the 2010s alone, we lost out on £500 million in rail investment. So the problem with HS2 is that not an inch of the track is in Wales, but because it's classed as an England and Wales project, we've lost out on about £5 billion. And for what? And the Oxford to Cambridge project is exactly the same thing. Not an inch of it is in Wales, but it's an England and Wales project. And that's lost us another £360 million. And there's no official correspondence either between Welsh Labour and UK Labour about any of this because Eluned Morgan hasn't even sent an email to ask for the money that we're owed. How on earth can you call that a partnership in power? Eluned, if you need help, kind regards in Welsh, is coffee on a gorau, chick. And the hardest part to swallow about this is that our friends in Scotland and Northern Ireland get compensated for projects like this, but we don't. So how much money is Labour giving us for rail, you might ask? Well, the UK government have very generously given us £445 million for 10 years. That's less than 10% of what we're owed for HS2 alone. So how much are we getting in comparison to English regions? Greater Manchester gets 2.5 billion, West Midlands 2.4 billion, West Yorkshire 2.1 billion, East Midlands 2 billion, South Yorkshire 1.5 billion, the whole of Wales 445 million. This is quite obviously horrifically unfair, and that's why Plaid Cymru are fighting for fairer funding and for full control over our rail infrastructure. And Plaid Cymru will fight for what we're owed, and they will invest what we're owed right here in Wales. Plaid Cymru are the only party that are putting Wales first, that are putting Wales before Westminster, as they should be. And so if you want a fairer future for Wales, vote Plaid. Because Plaid will not bow to Westminster and will continue to remind them that we have a voice and it's a voice that should be listened to.